my gosh, I'm falling apart.
It's not been for 2 seconds. I haven't stopped this whole time.
Say hi. No? Okay. Day one of kayaking. We just camped on Bear Island. We are now headed to the Everglades city and we're gonna start our kayak trip. We have just arrived to our launch and we're gonna be heading out. So we just got to the island that we're going to be camping at and it is full of shells. So hopefully we can get some sleep. We did 15 miles today. It took us about 6 to 7 hours. So gonna get some dinner, literally go to sleep and be done.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away.
It is day 2 of our kayak trip and I am miserable.
What?
No, just kidding. I woke up in a lot of pain. My arms hurt.
My sock.
I was wondering whose that was.
That's my sock.
I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. About 2 hours. I got my net on my head, which has helped a lot. And we're gonna go have another 15-hour kayak day. I wish the dolphins were still out here.
Right there.
Oh, they are?
Here comes.
Gotta get closer.
They're killing them fish. Oh yeah.
There's a dolphin. Day 2, we've gone about 30 miles. I'm very exhausted. The water was pretty choppy, so I'm gonna show you where we are. The sun is about to go down. Oh gosh. All right, the end of day 2. It's like 7 o'clock and we're going to bed because we're gonna be kayaking a lot tomorrow. Send help. It's day 3. And we're met by extremely low tide. I don't know how we're gonna get out into the water. Oh, shoot. We're on day 3, guys. I'm exhausted.
This is what I'm doing for now. I'm wearing my rain gear when it's nighttime or morning. Well, so I don't get bitten up.
Oh my gosh, my lips. Oh my gosh. That's a sunburn for sure. Ah.
Got my tent down yet. It don't matter. You ain't going anywhere.
All right, guys. Day 4. My skin is very burnt. My lips are really swollen. Oh, Wonderful. Say hi. No? Okay. Did you see my tan line?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
You can tell you actually did it.
It is extremely low tide. So we sit here and wait. It's the end of day 4 and I'm dying. We're about to cook some dinner. I have ramen noodles for tonight. But the sun is pretty. I think we've done about 50 total in 4 days.
There's raccoon tracks on here.
There's raccoons everywhere. Day 5 is so windy. We're trying to hurry up. Crazy. After 5 days, we finally made it. 20.5 miles today and 70 miles total.
I don't think they will, but
Oh gosh. All right. We made it. Tell them how long it took.
5 days, 4 nights.
Of misery. Tell them what happened to you today on our 20.5 mile kayak day.
Well, a fish jumped up out of the water, hit me in the back of the head, fell on my boat. I got stabbed in the foot.
Oh my gosh, wait, yeah. Where is that?
I don't know if you can see it, but
Oh wait, yeah, you can see it. Hold on. Let me
stabbed
zoom
me
in.
in the foot.
Needless to
you get
say,
infected, so you better take
We
care
barely survived.
of that. You better take care of that. They can get
It was
infected.
rough waters too, guys.
Oh, it was bad.
Rough waters.
It was bad.
I cried multiple times.
I have kayaked a lot, and that was bad weather. There was big waves.
You guys gonna do it again?
Never.
Nope. Never doing it again.
Not again.
It is morning 6. I slept in my car because it's freezing outside and I am falling apart, as you can see. We're about to go get breakfast, but Joey found something really cool while we were kayaking, so we're gonna go report it to the rangers and hopefully they will go dig it up and it'll be a cool find. That trip was intense, I'm telling you. I don't know if I will ever do it again. It's a great accomplishment, but I am falling apart from it. I cried a lot, I laughed a lot of emotions. We made it back to Everglades City. We're picking up my dad's truck and heading to get some lunch and we're going home. It's been a journey, guys. I'm tired, very exhausted. See you guys when I'm home.